Okay, today's project, we've got a towel rack, toilet paper, and another little towel hook. We're going to change out the gold with this brushed nickel. And if you saw my previous video where I changed the faucet out, this is the continuation of that project. Okay, so here is the current towel rack, and there is the toilet paper roll. We don't have a hook for a towel. We have these little plastic things that the previous owners put in, so that's what we use. I don't know if we're going to be using that towel hook or not. We'll see. Okay, so most of these type of fixtures here, there's no visible screw or anything holding it on. So what you have to do is underneath, there's this little set screw. We're going to take that out, and then we'll get this off the wall. And it's the same thing for the toilet paper holder. Okay, so I've got the old one off. As you can tell, we need to paint. I have the holes puttied up. I'll let that putty dry and then I'll paint it. I'm probably not going to get the towel up today, but I'll either update you or it'll be part of this video later. So we're going to turn our attention to something that I might be able to get done today, which is our toilet paper holder. Okay, I've got the toilet paper holder roll off. I'm probably going to put the hardware on, or at least a bracket, and then paint and let it dry. Okay, while I'm waiting for paint and putty to dry, I decided to put up the towel hook. It's going to go right here. So it's pretty simple for a brand new installation. I've never had anything here before. So we're going with, these come in the kit. Let me get on something. There you go. You just screw them into, as Philip said there, you just screw them right into the wall and they anchor in. 2 of them. Pretty cool. Alright, there it is. Nice little towel hook. The level says it's level. My eyeballs say no. But looks okay. So there you go. Towel up there already. Nice position. We'll see how the wife likes it when she gets home. Looks like it's pretty even there. Alright, final product. Sorry I missed out on a couple of things that I did. I tried to just hurry up and get it done. So there is the towel rack. Nice. That's my son hollering, playing Madden. Told him to be quiet. There's the toilet paper holder. And there is towel hook. Nice and pretty.